Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver overall, if you look at from March first week, we can see there is a continuous downfall, but this downfall is in a descending order and in a particular range. Okay, and if this range you calculate, if the range break upside or downside, we can see it can move further down or further upside. So suppose what you can see looking at the price, that if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down, because it is what we can see, there is a continuous down trend. Okay, and once this trend, that means a support, I have told you that there is a support at $18.55. If this breaks downside, then we can see it can move further down, because if you look at weekly or monthly chart, we have seen there is a continuous trend towards, on the day chart we have seen there is a volatility towards upside and downside. So we can see there is a resistance and support that will make it upside or downside, because these supports are not that strong. So probability is high, we can see it can move further down if this $8.55 supports didn't sustain. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $8.948. and suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a probability it can touch a level of $19.248. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a probability it can touch a level of $9.5, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $9.930. Okay, suppose if the price goes up that level, then there is a probability that it can go further upside towards a level of $20.5, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $20.9. and this $20.9 is a support, which is a resistance which is already being tested here. So we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $21.5, and if that level sustain, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, now as I have already explained you that the market will not move sharp upside as well as downside, because till the time there is not a big news like war and pandemic situation. Otherwise it moves in a range, and if that range break upside, we have seen upside or downside, that is how the movement takes place, or it will not go sharp upside or downside. So it will halt for some time, then it will move down in the same way. So suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, okay, so what we can see, if this particular level didn't sustain, which is at a high probability that we can see it can move further down. Okay, so suppose if this particular level goes down, then we can see it can touch a level of $8.517, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of $18.350. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $18.215, and this particular support is a weak support. You can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around, you can say, $17.638. Okay, suppose if the price fall below this level, then there is a probability of touching, you can say, $17.088, and from there we can see it can move further down, and a probability of touching $16.7. Okay, so once the price fall below this level, you can check my previous video where I explained if the price fall below $16.7 where it can move. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.